Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use WP scripts and after setup theme in your WordPress theme. These two I have already talked about these two and already made individual videos, I guess. I'll just show you practically how to use these two. So I'm writing PHP, then the very first thing I want to write is add action. So the moment I write add, you can see here it's giving me some options to choose from. So I'm just gonna write the full by myself, and here I have to give it a name. So I no, the first one is WPNQ scripts. So WPNQ scripts, and then I have to give it a name. So if you remember, the text domain of this WordPress theme is Tian. So I'm prefixing everything with Tian. So Tian scripts. So this is good to go. Now I have to copy this one and make a function out of it. So I'm simply writing function, then this, then this, then this. So this is how you can write a function, and here I am only going to include one style.css. So this is the style.css that will be in our directory. For if we have more CSS files, then we will include those as well. But the style CSS that is in the directory like this, we can include it uh, with the following method. So I'm just writing WPNQ style, and the very first thing I'm going to write is a name. So also giving this a prefix of Tian and style. So this is good to go, and you can basically give any name that you want. And here I'm just gonna write get style sheet URI. What this does, this basically fetches the style CSS that is in the directory. So if you have your style CSS like this in the same directory as you have your index.php, then you can use this get style sheet URI. You don't have to give the location or anything, and it will eventually fetch this file for you. So that's about it for this portion, and now I'm going to show you guys how you can load the text domain and add some theme support as well. So for that we have to use the after setup theme. Similarly, I'm going to write add action, and in add action I'm going to write after setup theme, and I'm going to give it a name as well. So I'm just simply writing Tian theme. So this is good to go, and I'm just going to copy this one and make a function out of it. So function, then this, then this, then this. Here I can just load the theme text domain by just writing this one, and here I have to mention the theme text domain. So we know the text domain is Tian. Then I want to add a theme support here. So for that I need to write add theme support, and here I am going to give the support of post thumbnails. So here I'm just going to write post, then thumbnails. So we will get the post thumbnails support, and we will get the text domain with the help of after setup theme. And as we only have one CSS file, we will get that by using our WPNQ scripts. The name is Tian scripts, and we created a function Tian scripts, and here we have called WPNQ style, as this is a style sheet, and here the name is Tian style, and I'm just simply calling the style sheet in my WordPress theme. So that's basically it for this video. This is a very basic bootstrapping that you can do. And as time will go on, I will show you guys more advanced bootstrapping, so that you can uh, so that you can just tackle any situation that comes towards you. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.